Hello, my name is Professor Fawcett Dunstan, and I'm one of the instructors that helped to develop this English 101 online course. This short video is to give you an overview of how to navigate through some of the modules, and this particular module that we will be working with today will be the technology module for English 101. So let's get started. In order to access the module, you'll go to the Learning Modules, and you will see a list of different modules. And you will find the module that your instructor has instructed you to work on. In this case, it's the Technology module, which for short we call the Tech module. In this module, you'll be learning about online bullying and harassment that's become a big problem in recent years. In order to navigate through the course, you will scroll down and you will find some information about how to navigate through it, looking at the assignments and how to navigate through this particular module. One of the things that I like to tell students at first when they're approaching a learning module is to look at the calendar. To see what assignments are coming up due, if your instructor has chosen to use the calendar tab for calendar due dates. And to find the due dates on the calendar, if your instructor has instructed you to do so, you will go to the navigation bar to the left, and you will scroll down to see calendar. And you may view any kind of assignments that may be due for that calendar if the instructor has chosen to do so. We're going to go back to the learning module, to the technology module, and we're going to just kind of look very quickly to give you an overview of what to expect and how to navigate through it. We have decided, my colleagues and I have decided to place the assignments in different folders. So we've assign them according to weeks. So this one is Tech Learning Resource Week 1. And in that you will find a list of articles that you will read and interact with before the major discussion board posting. For this one, there are a couple of articles to read. There is even a video and so forth and so on. Okay? And if you'd like to see the rest of the assignments, you can hit the back button and go to Tech Learning Resource for Week 2. There you'll find some other articles, videos, and other helps. This particular module, the Tech module, is a 3-week module. So at the end of week 3, you will be required to submit your essay. And we're going to take a look at that. For Tech Learning Resource 3, you'll be maybe doing peer reviews for the assignment and so forth. One second, let me just go back to it. Here we go. We're going to go all the way down to the Tech we're going to go to the Tech Discussion Board posts. For this particular module, you'll be asked to write your responses to Tech Discussion Board Post 1 in about 200 words. That's about half a page to a page regarding one of the readings we've done. And also, for the following week, you'll be doing a Tech Discussion Post 2A or 2B in response to one of the readings as well. For the essay that you'll be doing for this particular module, let's go to that. That will be found under Tech Assignments. And when you click on that last folder for this module, you will see the Tech essay. And you'll read it to find the guidelines, and once you're ready and you've completed you've typed your essay, then you can go ahead and upload it by hitting the Technology Essay tab and submitting it that way. And you can browse your computer to find where it is, and then you hit the Submit button below, and that's how you submit your Tech essay. I hope that this was a very helpful video for you as you begin to navigate this particular course. Thank you.